Takishima Mika, the 91-year-old fitness instructor inspiring health and vitality. Meet Takishima Mika, a remarkable woman who defies age and embodies the true essence of an active and healthy lifestyle. Born on January 15, 1931, as of the creation of this video, she is an astonishing 91 years old. What sets her apart is not just her genetics or nationality, but her unwavering commitment to fitness and well-being. Takishima Mika's story is a testament to the belief that age is merely a number and anyone can embrace a vibrant and healthy life. Takishima hails from Japan, a country renowned for its longevity and high number of centenarians. However, what makes her story extraordinary is her remarkable transformation into a fitness trainer at the age of 90. Unlike many who might settle into a sedentary life during their golden years, Takishima chose a different path, one that led her to a life filled with vigor, passion, and purpose. The journey towards her exceptional fitness began later in life when she was 65 years old. It was at this point that Takishima decided to take control of her health after her husband's candid criticism about her weight. At the age of 65, Takishima took her first step into the world of fitness. By the time she reached 79, she was guided by a coach, and at the remarkable age of 87, she became a fitness instructor herself. Her journey exemplifies a steadfast commitment to fitness, a stark contrast to those who embark on careers in fitness instruction with minimal personal experience. Takishima's story underscores the belief that age should never be a deterrent to pursuing one's passions and achieving physical excellence. She defies the conventional notion of aging, showcasing how anyone at any stage in life can become flexible, strong, and resilient. Her life serves as a living testament to the idea that age is nothing but a number. Takishima's daily routine, a recipe for ageless vitality. Takishima's daily routine is a testament to her unwavering commitment to a healthy lifestyle. She is not your typical nonagenarian, and her daily regimen is both rigorous and purposeful. Early to rise. Takishima's day begins at an astonishing 4:00 a.m. She emphasizes that an early start to the day is crucial for an effective workout, as the morning hours offer the best results. Before heading out, she drinks a glass of water to kickstart her metabolism and hydration. Morning cardio. Her mornings involve an invigorating routine of walking and running, covering a total of 8 kilometers, about 5 miles each day. This 2-hour exercise regimen includes a 4-kilometer walk, a 3-kilometer run, and an additional 1-kilometer walk in the opposite direction. She is undeterred by rain and rarely misses a day. Balanced breakfast. Following her morning workout, Takishima enjoys a balanced breakfast that includes mackerel or grilled salmon, eggs, natto, tofu, kimchi, and vegetables marinated in rice bran. This nutritious meal provides the energy needed for her active lifestyle. Continuous activity. Takishima doesn't allow herself to rest on her laurels. She combines her daily chores with stretching exercises and maintains impeccable posture throughout the day, even while watching television. Her movements are purposeful and infused with a sense of enjoyment. Strength and flexibility. The second half of her day is dedicated to intensive training, both individual and group sessions. As a fitness instructor, she also conducts online classes, imparting her wisdom to younger generations. Her regimen includes stretching, strength training, and exercises she has developed over the years. Takishima's 5 golden exercises. Her personal set of exercises focuses on lifting a barbell above her head, a series of leg exercises, the splits, lying face down with leg lifts, and squats with a barbell. These demanding exercises contribute to her overall strength and agility. Mindful eating. For lunch, she keeps it light with a banana and a probiotic drink, Yakuruto, as overeating tends to make her drowsy. However, her hearty breakfast sustains her throughout the day. Takishima believes in balanced nutrition and avoids artificial additives and preservatives while allowing herself occasional indulgences. Active mind and learning. Takishima's afternoons are spent on educational exercises, improving her computer and smartphone skills, and attending English lessons. She places great importance on staying mentally active and continuously learning. Evening routine. Takishima concludes her day with simple exercises before retiring to bed, usually by 11 p.m. A remarkable impact. Beyond fitness, Takishima's incredible journey has not only transformed her life, but also touched the lives of countless others. Her infectious enthusiasm, unwavering dedication, and indomitable spirit have inspired people worldwide. One individual who watched her videos wrote to her, expressing how Takishima's story had instilled hope and optimism in her life. Takishima's goal is clear. She wants to travel to all 47 regions of Japan, hosting training sessions and spreading the message of health and fitness. And that's all for this video. Subscribe for more.